Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss some question of exercise 8.1. This is question number 3rd. First two questions we already discussed in the previous video. Question number 3rd, it is given that quadrilateral ABCD whose diagonals are intersecting each other such that OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD, and angle AOB, BOC, COD, AOD is equal to 90 degree. To prove that ABCD is a rhombus, so firstly we will consider the triangle AOB and COD parts. OA is equal to OC, this is equal, given. 1 is equal to 2 vertical opposite angle, OB is equal to OD also given. So therefore both the triangle will be congruent by SS rule. So we can find the result that angle one is equal to 2, one 3 is equal to 4, AB is equal to CD by CPCT, and angle 3 is equal to angle 4 also CPCT, which is a pair of alternate angles. Therefore AB parallel to CD. This is first and this is second. So from first and second, ABCD is a parallelogram. Since one pair of opposite side is parallel and equal, is a parallelogram. We have proved this result also. Now, because we want to prove it is a rhombus, so ABCD now it is parallelogram, and by the definition we know that parallelogram whose one pair of adjacent side is equal, means if AB becomes equal to CD, then we can say ABCD become a rhombus. So now next work is to prove these two triangles are congruent or AB is equal to BC. So we consider these two triangles. Now in triangle AOB and triangle COB, you can see this part equal to this one. ये दोनों में each 90 degree angle है, तो again using SES property we can prove them congruent. OA is equal to OC given, 1 is equal to angle 5 each 90, ये भी given है. OB is equal to OB given, common. Therefore triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COB by SES rule. Therefore AB is equal to BC CPCT, which is a pair of adjacent side of parallelogram. Therefore ABCDs rhombus by definition. Hence prove. Now the next question. Show that the diagonals of a square are equal and bisecting each other at right angle. So in this question number 4th, we have a square ABCD. We have a square ABCD and we have to prove. This is question number 4. Given ABCD is a square. To prove, diagonals of square are equal, so we have to prove that AC is equal to BD. Bisect each other. Second part, OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. Third part, angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. You can write whose, you can add one more line, whose diagonals are intersecting at O. No construction proof. So to prove the first result, we will consider here the triangle ABC and triangle BAD. In these two triangles, AB is equal to AB. This is common in both triangle. Common. Each angle ABC is equal to angle BAD, each 90. BC is equal to AD, side of square. You know are equal, side of square. So therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD by SAS rule. So we can find result. Therefore AC is equal to BD, CPCT. Now to prove the next result, we will consider these two triangles. अब पार्ट 2 लिख सकते हैं इन ट्राइंगल. In triangle AOB and triangle COD, angle 1 is equal to angle 2, angle 1 is equal to angle 2, vertical opposite angle. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4, alternate angles. AB is equal to CD, side of square. Therefore triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD by AAS rule. So by simplicity we can find OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. Simplicity. Now the third result, angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. So for that we have to consider these two triangles. So third part, you have to learn that to prove the first result, हम दोनों ट्राइंगल एबीसी और एडीसी को कंसिडर करेंगे. फॉर द थर्ड रिजल्ट इन ट्राइंगल एओबी एंड ट्राइंगल सीओबी, OA is equal to OC. We have proved it. Just we have proved it. You can give name first or second. OB is equal to OB. This is common. And AB is equal to BC, side of square. Therefore, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COB by SSS rule. So we can get result angle 1 is equal to 5. This is first CPCT, but angle 1 plus angle 5 is equal to 180. Second linear pair from first and second. Angle 1 is equal to angle 5 is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to 90. Hence proof. Fifth is same, just opposite of the question number 4. So you can do this question yourself. 6, 7, 8 and question are the same method. So I am solving here the question number 8. ABCD is a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle in which diagonal AC bisect angle A as well as angle C. These two parts are equal, these two also equal. Angle 1 is equal to 2, angle 3 is equal to 4. Show that ABCD is a square. Question number 8, this is given ABCD is a rectangle. So you know when the name is rectangle, so many results we can find. Side AB is equal to CD, AD is equal to BC, each angle is 90 degree. To prove, there are two results given clearly in the question. ABCD is a square. First ABCD is a square. And second BD bisect angle B and C, D. BD bisect angle B and angle D. No construction is there. Proof. Since angle 1 is equal to angle 2, since AB parallel to CD opposite side of rectangle and AC is a transversal line, transversal line. Therefore angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Equation first, alternate angles, but angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Second number, this is given. So from first and second, angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Give 3 number. So in triangle ADC, AD is equal to AC. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. From third you can write it once again. From third, so therefore AD is equal to AC. Side opposite to equal angle. Side opposite to equal angles. Therefore ABCD is a square by definition. Therefore ABCD is square. When these two sides are equal, opposite side already equal, so it means all sides will be equal. So ABCD becomes square. This is our first result. Now to prove the second result, so we can find therefore AB is equal to AD. If this is square, then these two sides become equal. Side of square. Side of square. Therefore angle 5 is equal to angle 6. 5 is equal to 6. This is equation number 3. Side opposite to angles opposite to angle opposite to equal side. And angle 6 is equal to angle 7. 4 number, pair of alternate angles. Alternate angles. Therefore angle 5 is equal to 7, which is your result. Similarly angle 6 is equal to angle 8. Result is proved. Thank you.